Hi everyone, in today's video, let us learn how to identify and use general hand tools, instruments and equipment used in refrigeration work. Objectives: at the end of this video, you will be able to identify and use general hand tools, instruments and equipment used in refrigeration work. Procedure: Task 1. Let us identify the tools required for refrigeration work. Number 1. Flaring tool with yoke. A flaring tool with a yoke is a crucial tool in refrigeration work, particularly when dealing with copper tubing. Flaring is a process that involves forming a flared or widened end on a piece of tubing to create a secure connection for fittings. This is commonly used in refrigeration and air conditioning systems, where copper tubing is prevalent. Number 2. Tube cutter. Small diameter, annealed, soft copper tubes are used in most refrigeration work. Tube cutter is used to cut these tubes. It consists of a V-block against which the tube rests and an adjustable round plate of carbon steel which cuts the tube. After placing the tube in V-block, plate is adjusted and tube cutter is revolved the tube and cut the tube. Number 3. Pipe bending tool. There are external coil springs bending tools, where the external spring is designed to be used near the ends of tubes. A lever type tube bender is used to form bends neatly and accurately without buckling the tubing. These tools will form bends up to 180 degrees in continuous operation. The forming wheel is calibrated to show the degree of bend attained. Each of these tools is used with one size of bending. Number 4. Swaging tools. Swaging is a means of shaping copper tubing so that operation is accomplished with a punch type or screw type swaging tool. The tubing is clamped into the flaring block and the specially designed punches hammered into the tubing, swaging or expanding the end so that it will fit over the end of another piece of tubing. Number 5. Pinching tools. It is used for sealing or closing the diameter of copper tubes. It consists of two bars forming jaws and holes of various sizes and are clamped together with using nuts and bolts. The tube is pinched off both the two jaws. Number 6. Sling psychrometer. Relative humidity is measured by an instrument known as the sling psychrometer. This instrument consists of two ordinary thermometers securely fastened in a frame which is attached by chain. By means of this chain, the instrument can be rapidly whirled around so that it comes in contact with maximum amount of air. Number 7. Leak detector. A leak detector is a crucial tool used in refrigeration work to identify and locate refrigerant leaks in a refrigeration or air conditioning system. Detecting and repairing leaks is essential for maintaining the system's efficiency, preventing environmental harm from refrigerant emissions and ensuring the safety of the equipment. Task 2. Let us identify the instruments required for refrigeration work. Number 1. Pressure gauge. It is used to check the pressure of the refrigerant in refrigeration unit. There are high pressure vacuum and compound gauges. A pressure rise in Bowden tube makes it tend to straighten. This movement will pull on the link, which will turn the gear sector counterclockwise. The pointer shaft will then turn clockwise to move the needle. Most popular gauges have a 2.5-inch dial and are connected into refrigeration system with 1/8-inch meal pipe thread. Number 2. Compound gauge. It measures both pressure and vacuum. It is usually calibrated from 0 to 30 Hg and from 0 to 200 psig. Number 3. Revolution counters. The spindle of the counter, which is provided with a conical rubber bush, is placed in the countersunk portion of the machine shaft for measuring speed. The revolution counter counts the number of revolutions as long as its rubber brush is in contact with the shaft. To get the revolution per minute, it is necessary to have a timing device. Task 3. Let us identify the equipments required for refrigeration work. Number 1. Air compressor. An air compressor is used for various purposes in auto garages like washing, greasing and cleaning of the vehicle and the auto parts and inflating tires. It is used to test the leakage by building up pressure, flushing the refrigeration AC systems and choking systems to clear the pressure of the system. Number 2. Vacuum pump. Air contains various contaminants and moisture which, if present in the refrigeration system, can lead to issues such as ice formation, corrosion and reduced system efficiency. Evacuating the system helps maintaining a clean and dry environment. The primary purpose of using a vacuum pump is to evacuate air and moisture from the refrigeration system. Recap. In this video, we have discussed how to identify and use general hand tools, instruments and equipment used in refrigeration work.